What about you? I'll be honest, my lawn doesn't look as good as I'd like it to. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a little trick that not that many people know about on how to get your lawn just up to that next level. Now your lawn might be under a bit of drought stress, so this trick will really help it out. But the first thing we'll have to do is get the grass cut. So let's do that now. So the first cut over the lawn looks pretty good. Now I have a bit of time today, so we're going to double cut it and go this way. So let's do that now. I like to burn the stripes in. Burning the stripes in just means going over the same stripes all the time. And the problem is if you just go in the one direction all the time, the grass starts to grow just in that direction. So whenever you're going across the way, then you help break that up. So you can sort of see there, it's not lying over just as much. Next week's video, we'll probably do some verti cutting. But in this week's video, we're just going to focus on this little tip here. So I'm going to get the lawnmower and run over it again. So I'm going to give myself a wee shout out, folks. I have a podcast called Roots to Revenue. It's business related. If you're interested in that type of thing, check it out. Really good to listen to if you're cutting gardens. So happy days, that is the grass all double cut. What we're going to be talking about today is Ascophyllum Nodosum. Now try saying that after a couple of drinks. So it is a seaweed, but not to be confused with kelp. Now Ascophyllum Nodosum tends to grow in the Northern Hemisphere, places like the northwest or the north of Ireland. Now it spends half of its life in the water and half of its life under the water. So it grows in some really challenging conditions, and over hundreds of years it's had to build up a really good immune system. So it's full of stuff like amino acids, carbohydrates, micronutrients and lots of vitamins. So whenever we put it on our lawn, we're getting all those benefits baked in. If you're unsure about seaweed and how seaweed works, you need to think about seaweed's main superpower, and that is carbohydrates. So just like ourselves, whenever we eat carbohydrates, we get energy from it. And that's what happens whenever you give seaweed to your lawn. You're giving it carbohydrates, and that means it can grow stronger roots and it can be more resilient to things like drought and heat stress. Whenever most people think about feeding their lawn, they just think about feeding the grass. They don't think about feeding the soil. So whenever you put seaweed onto your lawn, you're actually getting some of it on the leaf, but the stuff that doesn't go on the leaf goes down into the soil. And that's where the real magic happens with seaweed that a lot of people don't think about. So the thing about seaweed is it's full of auxins. I'm going to tell you in a second why that's important. Or it helps your plant create auxins. So if you think about your lawn, whenever you hit a dry spell and if it doesn't have very good root system, then what it's going to do is it's going to dry out a lot quicker and it's going to stress out a lot faster than a lawn like this or somebody that puts seaweed onto their lawn. So how auxins work, if you think back to your school days, they teach the plant, or they help the plant, they're little organisms, and they help the plant create root systems. So as the roots go deeper, so as whenever you hit a stressful time, then your lawn can manage it better. Come here, Bella, bring your stick. Bring a stick. Bella's taught me to run after a stick. So if you're thinking about giving seaweed a go, it's important that you put it on ahead of the stress. You don't want to be putting it on, if your lawn's heavily under drought stress, then don't be putting on any products apart from some water. So you want to be putting on seaweed about once a month. And I'm going to just give a wee shout out. I Grow Carpet. This is actually my own brand of fertiliser. So if you want to help support the channel, I'm going to drop a link down in the video description to where you can buy this here. But so always put it on ahead. Now, once a month, I would say if you apply this stuff once a month, it's going to really help your lawn. Now, if you're wondering how much this you need, a litre does 500 square metres. However, to make life really easy, on the iGrowCarpet website, we've actually got a tool where you can go on and measure your lawn, and it'll tell you exactly how much you need for your lawn. Not just the seaweed, of every product that we sell will always be on the measuring tool, so as you can always get everything 100% correct. Before we put the products on the lawn, I wanted to have a quick chat with you. So I've been building the iGrowCarpet website, and it's starting to finally take shape, and we're now getting the full range of products in for you. I'm really sorry for anyone that's tried to buy the products and haven't been there. Turns out, while I know a lot about fertiliser, I don't know that much about selling online. However, I'm learning every day, and we're nearly there. So there's going to be a new online resource that's hopefully going to be like the biggest free bit of or resource in the UK for anyone that wants to learn about their lawn. That is the end goal for the iCarpet website. So if you want to help support me and buy the links, that'll be super. Now, I was going to spray the lawn, however, you can see that it's blowing an absolute gale today, so I'm going to leave it. So look, thank you very much.